if you're buying a long-term buy-to-let in a regional city in the UK, you could be exposing yourself to significant risk if you skip these 3 checks. The first is just assuming that the advertised rent is achievable. What you need to do is go online and make sure there's genuine comparable evidence, as well as speak to a few local letting agents to ensure that you'll be able to get the rental income that is projected by the selling agent. The next is not checking if there's regeneration or institutional investment going on within that city. If there's not regeneration or there's not significant spending, either public or private, you could be getting into a market that isn't particularly hot or isn't improving over time. If there's not much institutional investment or not much regeneration going on, the chances are there might not be that much growth in terms of appreciation of assets over time. And the third is ignoring rental demand. When you're buying a property, you need to make sure that you'll be able to rent that property out quite easily upon completion. So what you need to do is make sure that there's a demand for rental properties and a demand for the type of property that you're purchasing in the city in which you're purchasing. You should be okay because there is a massive rental demand across the UK, because we do have a housing shortage, but you want to make sure that you've checked all your boxes and made sure that there is a rental demand for the type of property you're purchasing in the location in which you're buying. You need to make sure that you're buying properties in locations where there's big employers, but as well as this, you can target locations that have big universities, because when those students finish their studies, they'll want to rent good quality properties in prime city centre locations.